Over the last couple of years, speculation and rumors have run rampant about whether or not Tom DeLonge would be returning to Blink-182, with Matt Skiba even recently revealing he is unsure of his status in the band. Now, Mark Hoppus is addressing these rumors. Kerrang shared these posts from Mark on Discord saying, "There is no news to share. There is no announcement. Today is 30 years of Blink-182. He elaborated, "If and when Blink has any announcement about anything, you will hear it here or from the official Blink-182 outlets, not teased on a radio station like, tune in for a major announcement. Tom tagged Mark in a photo from 2 decades ago." DeLonge told Kerrang in a May 2019 interview, "I love Blink and it's given me everything in my life. And you know, I plan on doing it in the future." Of course, DeLonge's departure from Blink-182 didn't involve any bad blood, but rather so he could launch To the Stars Academy, conducting research on UFOs and UAPs. Of course, this is not a denial from Mark. He's simply stating the band has nothing to announce at this time. Again, 2 weeks ago, Matt Skiba was asked about whether or not he's still in Blink. He responded to a fan comment, "Your guess is as good as mine. Regardless, I am very proud of and thankful for my time with Blink-182. We shall see." So even Matt Skiba is unsure of his current status in Blink-182, but without a doubt, his tenure has been great. The shows were excellent. They've made a lot of good music together, and time will tell what the future holds for Blink-182, whether they continue with Matt Skiba or Tom DeLonge makes his highly anticipated return to the band. It really seems inevitable. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. That's your latest update from Rockfeed. Be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future stories. Check out the recommended videos on your screen and visit rockfeed.net for more.